In this video, you'll learn how to connect OpenClaw AI to X, previously known as Twitter. This process involves a series of steps that require you to interact with both your computer's interface and the OpenClaw control platform. Begin by locating the search box on your Windows environment. Click on it to activate, allowing you to enter commands. This is essential for accessing the Windows PowerShell, which will be used for further actions. Next, type in Windows PowerShell in the search box. As you type, suggestions will appear. Ensure you select the correct option labeled Windows PowerShell to proceed to the command interface. Once Windows PowerShell is open, right-click on its icon. This action will display various options. Select Run as Administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions for executing the following commands. After that, type in OpenClaw and press the Enter key. This command initiates the OpenClaw AI process. Wait for a moment while the system processes your request, which may take a few seconds. Once the command execution is complete, type in OpenClaw Gateway and press Enter again. This step directs the system to open the gateway for further configuration. Wait for the gateway to initialize. Next, you will need to copy the URL http://127.00118789, highlight the text and use the right-click menu to select copy. This URL is crucial for accessing the OpenClaw control interface later. Open your default web browser. You can do this by clicking on the browser icon from your taskbar or desktop. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help with loading the OpenClaw control page smoothly. In the browser, paste the copied URL into the address bar and press Enter. This action will take you to the OpenClaw control interface. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard. Locate and click on the chat option within the OpenClaw control interface. This will direct you to the chat functionality where you can input commands relevant for integration. In the chat input area, type integrate with X and hit Enter. This command signals the system to begin the integration process with X. Wait briefly for the system to process your request. Next, click on New Messages to access the latest communication options. This will refresh your chat and allow you to see any updates or additional instructions that may have been sent. You will then receive a message stating the best way to integrate is to add it as a channel plugin. This message provides guidance on a recommended integration method. Following this, another message will appear offering practical options for integration. Review this information carefully as it outlines your choices for connecting OpenClaw AI to X. Click on the option labeled Proper Way Recommended X Channel Plugin. This choice indicates you are opting for the officially supported integration method. You may also notice an alternative message that mentions a quick and dirty workaround. While this option exists, it is advisable to stick to the recommended channel plugin for better stability. If you require assistance, a message may appear offering to scaffold the plugin for you in your workspace. This would include the necessary files and configurations, simplifying the integration process. Finally, a confirmation message will indicate that you have successfully connected to X. This signifies that the integration process is complete and you can now utilize OpenClaw AI with your X account.